I've got the spring Breo Box. So if you want to know what fun things are in it this season, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are in the other room. You know Bandit, he's a little traitor. He likes to hang out with my mom sometimes more than me. I don't know, that little guy. And Chloe, she's just doing Chloe things, homework, stuff like that. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Breo Box is kind of like a tech box. It has some of the newer gadgets, they say, some of the things that maybe you didn't know existed, but now can't live without. And they've had all kinds of different things. I got an almond milk or a nut milk, oat milk maker, things like that. So you can get some pretty fun items in here. I do get this at legacy pricing. It's typically $165 a box. I get it at $135 a box. So I thought that was a pretty nice discount when you look at that annually. So I decided to stick with it for now. Now it doesn't come with a card. It comes with a scan card that you can scan to find out information about the products. So I won't have the information while I'm telling you. Well, some of the things we may know what they are. And then inside we've got the bag. And like I say, there is this scan code as well as a scan code to rate the box. So it looks like they sent a free gift. I won't know what it is because I don't know what's supposed to be in here. But as I go through and see what's supposed to be in here, I will let you know, kind of maybe like in that area. We have the Moso Natural scent-free and chemical-free odor eliminator. So these you can put in your shoes or, you know, anywhere that gym bag, sports gear, whatever. I think last time around I gave these to my nephew, and I'll probably give him these again this year because he's kind of a sports guy and a gym guy. So I think he probably utilizes, or maybe my niece, because she goes to the gym and she actually works at the gym, so she might appreciate them. We have a avocado flip masher. All right, so I'm not really sure how to use this. I don't know. It looks like it should turn, but it doesn't have any give. Oh, definitely supposed to turn. Serrated edge for having and pitting, rounded edge for scooping, and ideal perforated masking position, I guess right here too. Oh, mashing position. All right, so it is supposed to turn, it looks like. And this is just how you store it. So I'll have to look online because I don't want to break it, but it definitely doesn't have any give. So there's got to be some little trick to it. I don't know. Then we have a LED flashlight with hook and stand. So here it is, and then this is going to, as you can see, sit back there. So you can either hook it or use it as a stand. That's a nice little thing. It's helpful. Then we have a silicone body scrubber. It's got this big handle. And this is by Toiletries. So these are kind of like man tools. I like to go through the smaller things first. Next we have a, this is by Evac. It's a guac saver. It locks in freshness. And I'm sure you could use other things. Oh, but they're both this and the masher are by Prepara. So it has this silicone stopper in here, and that's what's going to lock in your freshness. And once you get it in, you got to really kind of tug it to get it out. So that's nice. And we do make our own guac too sometimes, although, you know, lately I've been buying it at Costco in like the little minis so that it's easier to take to school. Next, this is by Lathan, whatever it is. It's got batteries. And it's got a nice little pull tab, so you can just pull it open. This is the Wave Electric Toothbrush. So it comes with 3 replacement heads, which is nice. Replacement heads for these kinds of things can be very, very pricey. This is one that you're going to just plug in to charge. So I'm excited to give it a try. So it has a gum care brush, a super clean, and an ultra whitening brush. So we have 3 different types of brushes. They sound expensive to replace. It has 3 modes. You can customize your brushing with an app by adjusting vibration, strength, rotation, range, and rotation speed. And every 30 seconds, it will vibrate to remind you to change to a new quadrant. So it will do that for a full 2 minutes. And then and at first opened this up, I was like, did they send me like those, you know, those glasses that you can like play VR games with? But no, they sent me the Renpho Iris One Relaxation for Your Eyes. It's a soothing eye massager on acupoints, and it has a heating function, music, and Bluetooth. Who knew there was even such a thing? Let's check this out. I feel like this is some Brookstone level stuff. Like, remember back in the day, go to the mall and Brookstone would have like all these really cool things that, you know, you couldn't afford, but you like to play with in the store anyway. All right, so the inside has like this soft area here. It does kind of turn like that. It's got an adjustable band in the back.
Relax and enjoy. Air pressure plus heat.
Oh my.
Air pressure plus heat plus vibration.
Okay, yeah, it's definitely like moving in and moving out, and there's some warmth. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's around the temples. Oh, that's quite nice. Oh, now it's doing something up here. Okay. Ooh. Okay, that's quite fun. I like that. I'll be using this. It does come with a charger and the directions, and again, it did come with a charge. So that's really cool. So that is my Breo box, and I'm sure the gift was probably like one of the smaller items. I'm going to guess it was the odor eliminator. That's going to be my guess, that it was that one, because we've gotten that before. All right, well, that is my spring Breo box, and I think I have a code down below. If you click on it, it's going to get you like a little bit off, but they're always having like different discounts and sales and things like that. And when I had signed up for just like 1 season, and that's when they offered me, if I wanted to go annual, I could get it at the $135 a season versus the $165. So that wasn't the current going price. The current going price was $165. So, you know, I took advantage of it, and I'm kind of happy I did, because I really enjoyed getting this. It's different from every other box I get. It is pricey, but it is the one really pricey box that I'm getting, and it's not full of cosmetics. So, you know, when I got something like Curator, I enjoyed it. It was $89 when I got it. It has gone up to over $100 now, and you're getting cosmetics and a handbag and, you know, maybe some sunglasses, maybe some jewelry. It's a really nice box, but this I thought was just so different that I was willing to pay that kind of bigger, steeper price tag for, at least for as long as I can. All right, well, tell me your thoughts. Do you like this box? I know it's a little pricey, but if that were not the issue, what would you think? All right, well, thanks so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.